Hi and welcome to this unboxing video, just showing how to take the Contemporary Energy Solar Kettle out of its wrapping, and particularly how we take the protective film off the reflectors. I've had some people asking how that's done and I'm not sure if they're doing it the right way. So it comes in this box obviously, and let's just take it out. Got the blue one here. So inside it's in plastic bag. There's the little legs, the fold out legs at the bottom. Sometimes the plastic is tucked underneath the legs, so if you just open that, it enables you to take the plastic bag out without ripping the plastic bag. So there you go. So the kettle has the magnetic catches here. If you just open that, you can see there's the inside of the kettle. It's got the instructions in there. And here's the reflectors. So when it's been placed on the ground, you basically just clip the reflectors in like that, and they just mount securely like that, and that holds the base securely. Now, without the fold out legs, it's okay on a flat surface like this, but if you're using it on grass or uneven ground, then it's a good idea to fold out these legs, which add quite a lot more stability when the solar kettle's on uneven ground or grass or soft ground. So as you can see, they spread give it a lot wider area there, so that means that the thing, it can't, if you push it like that, it's not going to fall over. It would take a lot more to have it tipping over. As you can see with these ones, this is the protective film on the reflectors. It's got a very, very slight blue tinge to it, but sometimes you can't actually see that the film is there, or you think that the film has been removed for some reason. When it comes, it'll be in this state though, and you won't be able to see where the protective film sort of starts and finishes. The best way to get it off is just to scratch lightly with your fingernail near the corner, like that, and you can just see it just starts to peel off. And then just ever so gently. You want to do it away from the edge, because if you do it right on the edge, then you sort of think you're peeling back the actual reflective surface, but in fact you're not. When you get to there, you can start to peel off the protective film. And when it's peeled off, you can see that underneath the surface is much more highly reflective. And it's a true kind of mirror type of surface. Okay, so that's the difference between it being slightly dull and slightly blue tinge when it's got the film on it, and a sort of true mirror-like surface when it's like that. So you can see the features unique to the Contemporary Energy Solar Kettle. We've got a thermometer in the top there. That's very useful to enable you to see how the heating's getting on when it's getting close to boiling. That's got a long probe there which goes down into the fluid. It's got a nice bright copper lined surface there of the inner tube, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for the solar kettle. One thing I should mention as well is be very careful when you are, obviously, when it's heated up and it's been in the sun for some time, and you can tell from the thermometer what temperature it's got to, but if it's getting up to boiling, or if it's at boiling point, then, you know, as with any kettle, you've got to be very careful. Boiling water can scald you. Generally, it's better to lift and hold the kettle by the glass floor, or else you can hold it by the base and by the metal stand. As you're pouring, then make sure you kind of pour like that, so that you don't spill any water on yourself. Okay, thank you very much for watching.